welcome to my channel. It's Sally Manalo. So here, good morning everybody. Literal, nakagigising ko lang. Higup muna ng kape. Turkish coffee na nasa medyo shot glass. Ewan ko ba, pag Turkish gusto ko dyan iniinom eh. So, yun. So for today's video guys, samahan niyo ako maggaya kasi susunduin ko si Habi. Siyempre, susunduin ko sa airport. Galing siya sa kanyang trip. Galing siya ng Georgia. Yes po, 10 days na akong iniwan mag-isa dito. Pero okay lang, mababait naman na. My in-laws are very nice. Wala namang problema. So, okay lang din na naiwan ako. Okay, so first of all, mag-moisturize muna tayo ng ating skin. Kasi it's super lamig outside. And as you can see, I'm still so sleepy because it's too early in the morning. 7 a.m. 7 a.m. and I'm doing my makeup already. Yeah, I'm a late wake-upper. Yeah, late po talaga ako nagigising. So, yan. Mag-moisturize na tayo ng bongga. And ready to get out in winter weather. Pasensya na sa mukha ko, grumpy pa yung mukha ko kasi it's too cold talaga. Then yan, moisturize lang. And anyway guys, of all the product na ginamit ko as moisturizer, ito lang talagang Nivea soft yung gumana sa mukha ko. As in, yung Nivea Blue, Nivea or Nivea whatsoever, same. N-I-V-E-A V-E-A nautal pa, sorry. Yun, hindi siya gumagana sa akin. Nagbibitak-bitak yung mukha ko. Pero dito sa soft, okay na okay siya. Super moisturized. And oo nga pala, today also I ran out of my Brilliant sunblock, so I use this. My sister-in-law gave me, so let's try it. And naparami pa nga yung nilagay ko kasi sobrang tinted niya. Malayo na yung kulay niya sa leeg ko at sa braso ko, so bawas-bawas tayo ng konti kasi it's super duper tinted. So, yan. Softer mix na tayo kasi ang dami nga. Ang puti ng mukha ako. Sorry na. Pagigising lang. So, hindi pa siya masyadong mindful. Then, yan. Light makeup lang tayo kasi it's cold. And we don't want to, to look like an old road naman yung mukha natin kapag binake natin masyado yung mukha. Tapos you see, sa sobrang antok ko, nagkamali ako ng lagay ng concealer. So, yan. Nilagay ko sa gilid ng ilong instead sa ibabaw. Ay, nako. Wake up, girl. Ayan. Nagmamadali ako, so pinagsabay-sabay ko na lahat. So, short story lang. Bakit nga ba nagpunta ng Georgia yung asawa ko? Yeah. He need to go there because he needs to fix his bank account. Not bank account, but it's for business. Business purpose. Ay, inshallah, may business trip. Diba, kala ko pang mayaman lang yung business trip. Pang normal na tao rin pala. So, yun. So, 10 days nga. Napaka Sobrang automated. Feeling ko sobrang automated ng Georgia. Kasi pwede ka mag-open ng business doon kahit physically wala ka doon. Online lang. Anyway, yung trabaho ng asawa ko, he's an astrologer. It's not about the rocks, huh? It's like a astrologer. Paano ko ba papaliwanag? So, ayun, mga Mars. Hindi kinaya ng utak ipaliwanag. So, kailangan natin si Maring Google. And sabi ni Maring Google, an astrologer is a person who uses astrology to tell others about their character or to predict their future. Okay? Prediction only. He's predicting people's future, which ginawa niya naman yun sa akin. And most of it naman is totoo. And reliable naman. Para siyang feng shui, ganon. Ginagawa yun hindi siya every end of the year. Ginagawa siya every birthday. Kasi, ang sabi niya is yun yung solar return, which wala akong maintindihan. Wala akong naiintindihan sa trabaho ng asawa ko. Okay lang. Support ko na lang siya kasi wala talaga akong maintindihan. So, ayan, magkilay na nga tayo. Hindi pwedeng lumabas ng walang plakadong kilay. Mag-less makeup na, wag lang plakadong kilay. Okay? Sabihin, mascara ba't ginagamit sa kilay? Kanya-kanyang trip. Trip ko yung gamitin sa kilay ko. Kasi, I have a very nice eyebrow, but the problem is, para siyang balahibong pusa. Hindi siya makapal na buhok. So, I use mascara. For easy access lang, meron naman akong gamit dito na pang-kilay talaga. Pero, yun na lang muna, madalian. I'm in a rush. Ladies, if you have makapal but maikling pilik mata, you see how am I struggling? Very not demure. You see? You see how I stretch my lower lids? Very not so nice. But it's okay. Once nalagyan na natin yan ng mascara, it will show up like it's natural. So yan, yung blush yung ginamit ko na rin sa eyeshadow. No problem. Be resourceful. So, yun. Let's move for contouring ngayon. Para hupak yung mukha natin pag nakita tayo ng asawa. Yan. Pati ilong natin nagiging hupak. Dahil I'm so blessed with my nose. Yan. Konting kurba-kurba lang sa mukha. And go. Blend it. O, diba? Para-paraan lang. Ayaw natin ng retoke. For now. Char! May balak sa future. So, yan. Contour na natin yung ilong nating pango. Okay lang yan kasi Pilipino tayo. I'm a Filipina. My nose is already pango. What? So, yan. Hulmahin mo, girl. Hulmahin mo ng maayos. And yan. oh nga pala, guys. My hair here, I curl it since last night. Yan yung trend na ikot-ikot mo sa socks. And let's see how it turns out today. And yan, most of my makeup pala is Shiglam. Because my old makeup I think I threw all of them. I just had my old foundation left. Only that, and everything is new. Because they are all expired except for the foundation. So yan, retouch, and soon we're gonna change na because we are running out of time. We have to leave at 8 o'clock because he's gonna landed at 8:45, and we have almost 1 hour to travel plus traffic. So yan guys, fit check. Yan, kala ko carry ko na yung lamig dyan sa suot ko na yan. Grabe, nagsisi ako. Ang lamig. Super lamig. And yeah, before natin makalimutan is the lipstick. I want like pink, faded pink. So yan. Yan, medyo vibrant lang yung color. Pero yung lipstick ko dyan, light, very, very light lang. And yan na, yung buhok. Magdamag kong pinaghirapan yan. Ang hirap matulog. Sabi nga, tiis ganda. Kasi gusto ko natural curl. And yan, pasting yawa. Sumabit pa siya dun sa hikaw ko. Which yung butas na pinaghikawan ko na yan is bago. Kaya masakit. Then guys, look at the curl. It's so giving. Worth it. Ojiwa. Oh, di ba? Pak! Ang ganda ni Ate. Suklayin lang natin. Comb it a bit so it will look like messy curls like that. Ayan, paghiwa-hiwalayin lang natin. And I love it. I love how it turns out. And yeah, perfume is life. See how I look at myself? Very love. See how I like myself? Very like. Okay? Very in love with myself here. I'm sorry for the reaction, but I really, really like this look. Yeah. So, ready to go. Yeah. Meron tayong what you call it, scarf. Winter scarf. Hindi ko alam kung anong gagawin ko. So, just let it be like that. Yeah. Yala inday, bilis. So, yun lang guys. Mag-accessories lang ako and everything is done and ready to go. I'm running out of time here. So, if you like what you see and if you like what you heard, please keep liking and sharing and subscribing on my channel, okay? Like and subscribe and please click the notification bell down below para updated kayo sa mga bagong uploads. Okay? See you again next time guys. So ito na yung result. Ito na yung look natin para sa mundo. Susundo lang tayo and we have to be this beautiful for our baby. Char. Okay, see you again next time guys. Thank you so much.